There's a common misperception that the base of the thumb is this knuckle here. But actually, the base of the thumb is located all the way down here at the bottom of your hand. So when you pass the thumb, the key is not to bend from here or here, because as you can see, the thumb doesn't reach very far under the hand. Instead, you should bend from here, and as you do, you'll notice that the thumb can reach much farther across, which is what you need. So try doing this with me. Hold your hands out like so. I'm going to hold mine like this so you can see what I'm doing. And with your thumb extended out at 90 degrees, keeping the thumbs straight, what I want you to do is to try bending from the very base of your thumb, folding the thumb across your hand like this. So just do that a few times. And once you've mastered that, now start with the thumbs in this position and do the same thing, bending across from the very base of the thumb. Now, I bet you've seen lots of pianists play scales, but what you've almost certainly never seen is what their hands look like from underneath while they're playing the scales. So that's what I'm going to show you, not with any fancy camera trickery, but simply like this. This is what it looks like when you pass the third finger over the thumb, and now passing the fourth finger over the thumb. Should look like this. See how the thumb is folded across the hand from the very base of the thumb all the way down here? So when you're playing your scales, this is what your hand should look like from underneath if you're passing the thumb correctly. Now that you know how to pass the thumb correctly, there are some simple exercises you can do to practice passing the thumb, and if you get good at these exercises, they will really help you the next time you practice your scales. Now, these exercises are actually explained in the Musiah application. So rather than me showing you, I'm going to let the Musiah app guide you for a couple of minutes. Take a look.
The first exercise is to practice passing the thumb under your third finger like this. Put your left-hand thumb anywhere you like on your keyboard. It doesn't really matter. I'm putting mine on middle C. For now, what's important is not the notes that you play, but the fingers you use. So I'm playing with my number 1 finger, which is my thumb, then number 2, number 3, thumb under, then I come back up, 3, 2, 1. So the exercise is to do that over and over. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now, when you pass your thumb, don't turn your hand like this. Try to keep your hand more or less where it is as you pass your thumb under. Okay, now I want you to do the same thing with your right hand. Just place it wherever you like on your keyboard and go 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 3, 2, and keep going. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. And now let's try that with both hands. Just pop both your thumbs on middle C and go 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. And just do that over and over. So with the left hand for now, the next exercise is to practice playing like this, down the keyboard and back up. Now only use your fingers 1, 2, and 3. Just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and when you turn around to come back up, it's 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And now just do the same thing with your right hand. Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 as far up the keyboard as you like, and as you come back down, you go 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now the next exercise is a bit harder. Just do this with your left hand. You're going to practice passing your thumb under your fourth finger, moving your hand as little as possible, like this. I'm playing 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb And I'm sure you can guess what's coming up next. Now do the same thing in your right hand. So passing your thumb under your fourth finger like this. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb under, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try that with both hands like this. Put your two thumbs on middle C and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over and over about 10 times. And now try playing up and down the keyboard with your left hand like this. Slowly at first, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then try doing it faster about 10 times, down and back up. And now do the same thing with your right hand. So slowly at first, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then try doing it faster about 10 times, up and back down.
Now that you've had a go at those exercises, the next step is to try playing a scale or two on your own, slowly at first, and when you pass the thumb, always bend from the very base of the thumb, and before you know it, you'll be playing your scales evenly and with nice flowing arm movements. Anyway, that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed today's session. Thanks for watching.